Have you ever wondered how your online presence might be affecting your personal and professional life? Welcome to the world of digital footprints, where every click, like, comment, and share leaves a trace. This trail we leave behind can impact us in more ways than we might realize, influencing everything from job opportunities to personal relationships. It can be an empowering tool or a potential pitfall, depending on how it's managed. Understanding your digital footprint is the first step towards cleaning up your online presence. The first tip to clean up your online presence is to regularly monitor it. Think of it as a digital mirror, reflecting your persona to the world. You wouldn't want to walk around with spinach in your teeth, would you? Tools like Google Alerts can be your digital toothpick, notifying you whenever your name pops up online. It's like having a personal detective, keeping an eye on your digital reputation. Remember, the key to managing your online presence is being aware of it. Our second tip is to be mindful of what you share online. Each post, every comment, even a simple like can potentially be seen by anyone, anywhere, at any time. Imagine your future employer stumbling upon an ill-advised rant or an inappropriate photo. It's vital to think twice, even thrice, before hitting that post button. After all, the digital world is an open book and your contributions are indelible ink. Always remember, the internet never forgets. Tip number 3 is to make good use of privacy settings. You see, most online platforms provide tools to help you control who gets to see your content. It's like having your own personal digital bouncer, deciding who gets in and who doesn't. Just remember, these settings aren't set in stone. It's crucial to routinely check and update them as needed. Don't let your guard down. Stay vigilant. After all, privacy settings are your first line of defense in protecting your online presence. Our fourth tip is to actively create a positive online presence. This doesn't just mean avoiding negative posts. It's about fostering a positive image. Share your achievements, your participation in community events, or your volunteering experiences. Let your digital footprint tell a story of a person who is proactive, positive, and involved. This not only overshadows any past online missteps, but also can be a compelling narrative to potential employers, colleagues, and friends. A positive online presence can open doors to opportunities. Our final tip is to seek professional help if necessary. There are experts specializing in online reputation management, capable of assisting in tidying up your digital footprint. They can navigate the digital world with ease, mitigating any potential harm. Sometimes a little professional help can go a long way. Cleaning up your online presence might seem daunting, but it's much more manageable when you break it down. Remember, consistently monitor your digital footprint, share wisely, use privacy settings, project positivity, and don't shy away from professional assistance. Take control of your digital footprint and steer your online presence in a direction that reflects the real you.